that hometown. I ain't seen him since bow fishing like how long ago? 2008, 2010. Bumped into him again. He helped me start my bike and he's letting me take his jump box. Appreciate it, brother. Hometown baby. Bro, why are you so cute? She gets jealous of the puppy. Ever since we brought the puppy home, we'll put the puppy in the bed, right? And we'll give it like kisses and like that. And she gets mad and she'll kick and scream. And then she knows that's the food bowl. So she'll get out of bed, come in here, and she's still doing it right now. She's taking that to heart, bro. She's like, yo, fuck your food bowl, dog. I'm at Shell in Ashland City. I pulled up and JJ Lawhorn was here. He looked at me, he said, hey, brother, can I pray for you? I said, no. I kept walking. Ironic that your name has law and horn in it. And mine is Upchurch. Brother. You know, with all these people Jesusing all the time, just overly Jesusing all the time. You know, it's funny that they sit around and they do Jesus and pray in hands so much, and they get baptized and talk about how somebody wouldn't let them pray for them and all that. But you mother never mention the important parts of the Bible that relate to you exactly. Why are y'all skipping those parts? I thought y'all knew the Bible real good, huh? What about the book of Numbers? What about the book of Jude? When it talks about God sending angels to call out motherfuckers that are misrepresenting God. Y'all don't know that part, or you just ignoring that part? I
came here, somebody that I had a big wall built up against that did me a lot of wrong. The Lord told me to stop at a gas station that was different than the one I was going to stop at.
Yeah, the Lord was like, hey, past Kangaroo, it's dirty. Pull into the Shell station.
And I kept going. And I said, you know, I know this guy likes to stop at this gas station from time to time. What would I do if I saw this guy at the gas station?
I challenge you to a yodeling contest.
And this is honest to God, right before I came here, y'all. And I was sitting there, pumped my gas, and got ready to hang the thing up. And sure enough, there he was.
There he was. The Italian stallion emerged from nowhere. Like Ozzy did in Little Nicky when he drops that glowing ball.
Now, about 3 weeks ago, I probably jumped all over him and beat the snot out of him, and I would have missed his church service because I'd probably gone to jail. I'm not lying either. Instead, I've been spending time with the Word of God, and I've been seeking Him, really seeking Him, staying up sometimes until the sun comes up. Just because I want to find Him, want to seek Him. And but I saw Him, I didn't feel anger or hate. I hollered out to Him and I said, hey, brother. And He turned around and said, what? And I put my hand out to Him and I said, can I pray for you? And he said, nah. And he turned around and he walked into that gas station. And I said, I'm going to keep praying for you anyway.
Well, I'll pray for you, brother.
Just follow me, because we need a little controversy, because it feels so empty without me.
Yo, the diesel is wigging out. What? 499? 489. You know, the past few months over here at the ranch, we've had some situations that make no sense. Like about 3 weeks ago, there's some guy that showed up. My brother pulled up there in the morning. He's laying against the gate, and he started saying some crazy shit like, tell your brother I'm Jesus and I used to be Lucifer, but now I'm Apollo, and all this shit. And it's just happened so many times. And when you sit back and you really look at the situation and look at these goofy shit, this guy said he walked from Alabama. No, you walked from somewhere nearby around this mother. That's where you walked from. And the situations are so goofy and don't make sense. I'm convinced that when these events happen, I'm convinced that people are wanting us to call 911 or call Cheatham County to get people dispatched out to take them away from other places in Ashland City. So me and all my brothers decided from now on, if you're going to be too stupid to pass 7 no trespassing signs and then give us a bullshit story, we're just going to start whooping y'all's asses for everybody to see. Fair warning, this is not a joke. Anybody else comes to the ranch acting stupid, telling a stupid story, you're getting bopped the up. If there's 5 of y'all, me and 2 of my brothers will whoop every single one of y'all and test me. Because think about it. This is what these people have to be thinking like, right? They're probably thinking, okay, he's the celebrity guy in town. Really, everybody around here knows what it is. They know that I'm not the diva type. I don't need to be pampered. I'm not like, oh no, please come help me, cops. There's a dangerous guy outside. I can take care of the dangerous guy. I'm not worried about that. But the mentality of these people, it seems like the crazier the story. Like, imagine if I got on the phone and was like, hey, there's a crackhead here. He's saying he's Jesus and Lucifer, and he's talking kind of crazy. In their mind, they're like, oh, we better send a bunch of people over there. Yeah, no. To the cops watching this, no. Don't send the fleet over here. Send one person. They're going to have to pick his ass up after I whoop his ass. All right, look, I ain't trying to be a... Now, I'm cool with taking pictures, but I've done taken 12 pictures with everybody in this town over 12 times. None of the locals ever asked me for pictures. Who the are you people literally coming at it, like almost running me over in traffic, telling me pull over? Literally somebody just stopped me at the 4-way and just jumped out of their car while that's weird. Yeah, we done taking pictures. Unless you're a damn Cheatham County resident, don't ask me for a picture.
I'm like a cockroach, bro. They can't get rid of me. They're like, we done squashed him 80 times. Upchurch, uppercutting the puppets for you to view it in the public eye. Solemnly swear to never purposely cover up one of my eyes. Or cuddle with a California guy who can put me in a position to be artistically stuck and sterilized. Be scared of my power. Beware, cause I tower over any entity trying to not give me my flowers. What is realer than I? Even when they dog Palestine on top of me, trying to cover up the mighty shine. Me versus everybody, I'm still doing it mighty fine. See my spirit in these icy eyes. I know the enemy see me out here when they whispering icy eyes. Let them know what they seeing. It's through divine music ability given to me from the icy skies. Now I got more raps in the roof line covered in ivy vine by design. My 808 is now a 809 and I listen to